Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how I created this social media post. As you can see, these are my settings. For the size, I have 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel shown by this area here. Then margin size of 50 pixel. These are the colors used. As you can see, I have a hexacode here. Then fonts used, we have below condensed and this Bauhaus 93. As for this photo here, I downloaded it from pixels.com. I think that's all. We can start. To start with, we have this social media post tweets. So to start with, I'll click a rectangle. First of all, let me click here to unselect it. Come here, click rectangle, full rectangle. As for color, already I have these colors here, so let me click this color which is already here, so you can check on these hexacodes and copy them, or rather you can use your own color which you may prefer. So I'm going to lock this rectangle, which will be the background, to prevent it from moving. As you can see, I drag it, it will move. So I'm going to lock it to make it unselectable. Then also I'm going to hide these notes here. So next we have this logo. I'll be creating this text with this nice fonts here. So you can type here logo. Just make it white. Reduce the size. Come here to this text. Make them caps. All caps. Reduce the font size to match this one. Then first of all, let me create this rectangle here so that it can act as a margin. It can give us a guideline. So the rectangle size, if I create full, then it will be -100, which is 50 both sides. -100. Lock it. So you can place it here at the center. Fill none. The stroke, can create something very thin which can be visible. Let me give it a white. I'm going to remove this, come to this stroke, give it white. Then I'm going to lock it. Let me lock it. Let me rename it margin. Okay, so that everything of ours will be inside this square or this margin. Next, we have this big circle with a photo in it, our portrait. Come here, just drag it. By balling it, you can see we have two circles or ellipse, one with a photo inside and the other one with a border. So I'm going to I think they have the same size. So what I'm going to do, just Control C, Control V, and the one on top, I'm going to increase the stroke a little bit, maybe there, and make it 5. Come here to color, click this blue. So we have two ellipses. Let me change the background of this so that it can be visible. Move the border. Then, as for the photo, let me try if I can extract this photo here. Let me copy. Let me come here. Let me paste. Control V. And as you can see, we have this photo here. Though it came with the ellipse from the other side. So what you can do, let me remove this second ellipse because it's of no use here. Delete. Now I have this border here. Let me check the size of this ellipse here. Here it is. Well, this one, so I can make it 550. Enter. This one also 550. Enter. So they are the same size. Let me align them. Select both. Select this one. Select this one. Come here on top. We have alignment. Or we have these shortcuts here. Then let me come and increase the stroke in this ellipse. The stroke size, we make it 8. I think that's good. I think it's good. Then let me group them. So holding shift, select both, and Control G for group. Drag them to where you want them to be. That's okay. Next we have this ellipse with a 50% off. You can create that. We're holding shift, then you can change the stroke to this blue here, then the fill I change it to this. Let me adjust the size of this so that you can see our border weight. So that's good. Now we have this text here. It says 50% off. Come and type 50% off. Now let's change the font style. We have this font size also. Come underline it here. A little bit bigger there. Then this can be, I think, semi-bold is okay. Also both should be semi-bold with the percentage having this blue here. I think this is fine with me, so I can align them that way. Then I can group them. Control G for group. So this is what we have. Next we have these texts here. I'll start with this one. Click here. So let me change the color to white so that you can see what we are doing. Limited. Can press down Control or Command and drag. Over. I want to arrange them, or rather want to make a right alignment. So I can come this alignment, click on this, Next we have this, so I can press down Control, drag for a copy. Here we have Mega, which is bold. The same, Control drag, then cells, increase to 80. Make this semi-bold. That's good. So this one, bring it up. Is good. Then we have this www.yourweb.com. Can write it there. Let's change the font, come into text, small caps. Oh, I don't know why it did not change, but let me try again. Visualization, none. Oh, let me take them in small caps. That's how I love it to be. This one, come here. I think regular is fine with me. Come here, reduce the size to something like this one. I think this is nice. Now first of all you can arrange this 12 left alignments that way, and I want some padding there. Well, let me start with some distribution on this alignment. Just distribute it that way. Control G for group, drag it a little bit up. That's fine. Group them, come here and align them. That's good. Then let's align this logo with this that way. You can balance this space here. Now this is what we have. Next, you can just create these ellipses. They are simple to create. Come to ellipse, just drag holding shift, create that. Then you can come here to fill. First of all, let me remove the stroke on this. Click this button there. Then let me create some gradients. On this gradient, we have this color here. Click this button. Then on this one, we have this dark color here. Click it. Now we are good to go. Come here to gradient tool. Just create the way you want it to be. Then from there, bring this here, hit control, bring another one there, hold shift, somewhere there, control drag along this area here, holding shift, then you have the last one, control, holding shift. So this is what you have, but this one should come under. So what I'll do, edit, so this is it, you drag it under this group, then I'm going to select all of them, group them. So this is what I have. Next, let me create these X here. They are very simple to create. Come here, create a rectangle. Come here to corner, round, all the way up. Then Control C, Control V. Then flip it that way. Add them. This is what I have. Can scale it down a little bit, maybe there, rotate it 45 degrees. Now let me create it in such a way that they mimic the way light comes from this angle, while there is shadow on this other side. So come here to gradient tool, then I click drag it here. Yeah, that's way. It is much better. You can try and adjust it there. Now next, I want to create some copies 5x3. While selected, press enter. You have this dialog here. You can come duplicate. I'll start with the horizontal, 4 copies, so that can make it 5. Then adjust horizontal distance. Let me start with 30. See, now we need to increase it more, maybe 40. Still not. Let me go to 50. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. Let me select them and group them. Next. Then the size is a little bit off. So what I can do, let me come here. That is a good one. Let me group them. Group. Delete this for. I'll use this one. Enter. Duplicate. 4. 40. 35. Yeah, 35 is good. Okay, let's group. Again, enter. Duplicate. Enter 2 to make it 3. Then this is a vertical. Can do 30. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Group. Then you can place them here. Maybe somewhere here. Just find a perfect place to where you can place them. I think that's it. But you can make whatever you want. Just know that you can find an inspiration online. Come design, find a tool which can be using. Like for instance on this one, I'm using Affinity design, but you can use Adobe Illustrator or CorelDraw, whichever you prefer. So that's the end of my tutorial. Thank you. Follow, like, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.